we have big news to share with you guys.
Thank you so much. We are so grateful that you are with us on our journey.
And a huge thank you to you guys for subscribing and helping us hit 100,000 subscribers on YouTube.
We're gonna have a huge celebration giving away over $6,000 in prizes.
That's right. We are so excited to celebrate with you guys, and I want to list some of these awesome prizes that we're going to be giving away.
A Verdiac kayak rack,
A generator from E-Trailer.
2 TPMS systems from Lippert and Kurt.
10 RV Life Pro subscriptions,
And a set of RV snap pads.
A Flowmax power washer from Lippert.
And we're giving away 2 gas stops, propane safety devices that you probably need.
3 sets of zero gravity chairs from Lippert,
A Thomas Payne mattress from Lippert.
And this is the new Thomas Payne mattress. It arrives in a box, making it easy to bring into your bedroom. It also comes in so many different sizes: short queen, queen, narrow king, and king, so it will fit in your bedroom. It has dual foam layers, and it's infused with charcoal cooling gel. You want to get one of these.
We're also giving away a new Lectric XP e-bike from Lectric.
And there's going to be so much more.
And all you have to do to have a chance to win is make sure you're a subscriber to our channel. We have some major installs coming up from Lippert, and we'll be in Indiana.
Oh, and we have updates. You want to tell them?
All right, so I wanted to keep you guys in the loop. I just had a virtual appointment at Mayo, and I actually have a sleep study coming up very soon. I've also been on this new medication, and it's been helping for the most part. And a very special thank you to all you guys for buying the t-shirt design. We hope you really like them. We really do. They're super comfortable, and we also have something else available too.
We just got ours. Super cool.
They're a little bit different. Mine has the Be Kind on the side, and these are in the middle, and it's like a satiny material. They're super soft. They feel really good. Yeah, we love them.
And we'll put a link down below if you want to get yours, as well as any of our other shirts and stuff. Thank you so much. If you've been wondering about the improvements to our videos lately and all the cool edits, this guy right here, and he's brand new to it as well, and learning Final Cut, and he's doing an awesome job.
Yeah, killer.
So
thanks, Logan.
Give Logan props.
Give Logan props. Woo!
Again, if you want to win some of these awesome prizes, you need to be a subscriber, so hit that subscribe button. Lots more details coming up in our future videos.
Yeah, and right now we're going to be spending some time with family.
Thanks for giving us a thumbs up on the video. Share it with your RV friends, and we will see you guys next week.
On the stars.